Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. In today's video, we're opening up another stock from Robinhood. This is our third free stock. I'm excited to see what we get, so let's get into it. Okay, here we are on Robinhood, back at it with another opening free stock video. If you don't know how this works, just check out my video how to get free stocks on Robinhood, and you can do this as well. You can see I've opened two free stocks so far, which is LLNW and BTG, and those are worth roughly $10 or so. So let's go ahead, open this third free stock. It's going to give me the reward picking screen, so I get to pick one of these three question marks. I'm just going to pick the middle again. Then we got a scrub to reveal. And I got AMRX, which is worth $4.88. Just tap done there. And sometimes that takes a little bit to process, sometimes it does it right away. So you can see AMRX, $4.89 added in here right away. Let's see what this is. It's Amneal Pharmaceuticals, which engages in the development, manufacture, market, yada yada of pharmaceuticals. So these take like a week or so to settle, and then you're able to sell them or do whatever you want. With the LLNW, I could sell this if I wanted to. I'm just going to keep it for now. I might sell these eventually and then just buy stocks that I'm interested in. You can see when I started this video, my investing at the top was like 114. Now it bumped up to 119. And it looks like I've earned another free stock. So let's go ahead and open this one as well. Again, I get the picking screen, and then I just have to tap one of these. So I'll tap the middle and scrub this away. Let's see what we get. CPRX. Worth $4.12. Let's tap done, and you can see that my portfolio is now at $123.76. So I just got another stock right there on the bottom, and you guys can do this as well. Just sign up with my link. You can see right here in the middle of the screen. Invite your friends. When they sign up, you'll both get a free stock. So whenever someone uses my link, we're both getting a free stock here. I thought it would end once I did 3 people, but apparently not. It just keeps going forever. The promotion was just for me to get the 4th bonus stock, which I just opened. But this feature goes forever. So for every single one of you that signs up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. And that stock can be valued up to $500. You guys can see that here. 100% chance of getting a free stock. And then there's the actual odds. And you can get a stock worth up to $500. So there you have it. You just saw me gain $10 right in one video. You guys can sign up with my link, get the free one, and then you can invite your friends as well. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to check back, see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.